Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup teamwork.com files using Team Folder exports step by step clearly. To backup your teamwork.com files using Team Folder exports, start by logging into your Teamwork account. Navigate to the project from which you want to export files. Locate the team folder that contains the files you wish to backup. Click on the three-dot menu icon next to the team folder name. In the drop-down menu, select the Export option. Choose the Export Folder option to initiate the backup process. A dialog box will appear prompting you to select the export format. Select your preferred format for the export, typically CSV or Excel. Once you've made your selection, click the Export button to begin the process. Wait for the system to generate the export file. A notification will confirm that your export is ready. You will receive a link to download the exported file directly from the notification. Click the link to download the file to your computer. Choose a secure location on your computer to store the backup file. Once the download is complete, open the file to verify that all necessary information is present. Store the backup file in a designated folder for easy access in the future. Consider repeating this process regularly to ensure you always have updated backups of your important team files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.